H&F, Guangzhou Intelligent Technology Company Limited, was founded by two professionals with 12 years' experience in 2017, focusing on digital inkjet printing equipment, R&D, and applications. With over 7 years' industry experience, we specialize in wide-format UV flatbed DTF printer series. H&F focus on technological innovation, independent R&D UV printer series, UV DTF printer, and 6090 UV flatbed printer is one of our big advantages, which has been exported overseas and is deeply loved by customers. H&F providing high-end quality machines, strictly control quality inspection. We set strict QC process. Every machine will do printing test before shipping out. In addition, we have obtained CE, SGS, ISO, and utility model patent certificates. Except for printer, we also partnered with high-quality consumable factories, providing customers with professional printing solutions with exceptional quality. H&F have been attending global exhibitions of inkjet printing equipment for 7 years, distributing printers to more than 30 countries and regions. During exhibition, customers can experiment with our printers and communicate with latest innovations in printing industry. We also provide overseas training and technical support. Our team continuously improves abilities to keep up with market trends and give reliable printing solutions for customer. H&F adheres to customer-centered, struggle-oriented, steady operation, openness and cooperation, committing to creating value for global customers.